Yes, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing and also click on the notification bell so that anytime I drop videos like this, you could be the first person to see them. Okay, I'm going to be explaining what is called indices in mathematics. So it's so very important we understand this. Now, indices is the plural form of index. So index here is the singular form. Index, which is the singular form, can be used in this note here. So when I have a 3, now having 3 here, 3 raised to the power of 5. Let me say 3 raised to the power of 5. So 3 raised to the power of 5 here, at this point here, our 3 here is regarded as the base. Why are 5 here is regarded as the what? The index or the power. The index or power. This is regarded as the index or power. So with this here now, the combination of different index. Are you getting the combination of different index? That is the application of different index, both the base and the power and the index now makes what is called the indices. So what I mean is, now in some cases you could be asked to solve something of this nature. You could be asked to solve something of this 10 raised to the power of 5 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So if you are going to be solving this, though this if you're asked to solve something like this, now what do you do? So normally you all know that your 10 raised to the power of 5 here will give us our 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 3. So 10 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as our 10 times 10 times 10. So if I'm multiplying this here now my 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this remains 1 here. Raised to the power of 5. I'm multiplying 10 in 5 places. That's a minute. 10 raised to the power of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 10 raised to the power of 3, I'm multiplying 3 5 times. So I'm multiplying the whole of this. Now the whole of this here would give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 100,000. Why the whole of this here would give me what? Will give me 1,000. So I need to multiply this by this. This needs to be multiplied by this according to the question. It needs to be multiplied. So if I'm multiplying this, if I'm multiplying my 100,000 times 10 1,000, so this will give what? So I'm going to be having this as my answer. This is 0 is 0. This is going to be 100 million. So it means 100 million is the answer. Now I'll need to put this in standard form because the question here is a power and base. So what I'm going to be doing here is this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to be 1 times 10 or 1.0 times 10 raised to the power of 8. And you know that anything multiplied by 1, Abby, this is also the same thing as 1 times 10 raised to the power of 8. And anything multiplied by what? Anything multiplied by 1 is still that thing. That's the answer is going to be 10 raised to the power of 8. Now, this is the normal way of doing this, or this is the ordinary way of doing this. But we're going to be using the law of indices, because this year would actually, if you keep on doing this for every question you have, so this will definitely take your time. So if I'll be applying the law of indices, there's a law of indices that says that anytime we have, though I'm going to be explaining that in full, but I just want to bring it as one of those things that I'm going to be using to introduce indices. Now, the law of indices says that anytime you're multiplying a value or you are multiplying two values of the same base, that is what you're expected to do is what? Now pick one of the bases, then add their powers. That 5 plus 3. This will give us 10 raised to the power of 8. Now look at, I've just gotten the answer of what I've just done here with all of these steps here. I've just gotten the answer in a single line. Just in a single line. So that's why I'm going to be introducing what is called the law of indices. Join me in that.